Hello students, good morning everyone. I hope you all are well. Right, let us see these questions here. Integration of dx upon ax plus b under root of cx plus d. Already yesterday I gave these all models. Okay, I gave all the models I have given. So let us solve the questions based on this. Today I am going to finish this irrational integrations. So tomorrow we will start some trigonometric integrations. Then nth integration will be there. After that, we will be solving 2019 previous very important questions. So this chapter will be going to end. Okay, let us then we will start the definite integration. So let us see here first of all integration of 1 upon 2x plus 2 into under root of 2x plus 1 dx. If I want to solve according to that rule, the first one I have to take cx plus d is t square. Under root 1 I have to take t square. So I can take here this one is 2x plus 1 is equal to I can take t square. Okay. I take as y square. Let us take this is as a y square. Now differentiate this one. What is the differentiation of this one? The differentiation of this one is becomes 2 into this is will become 2 dx. 2 dx is equal to differentiation of y square is 2y dy. I'll get like this. Understood? Differentiation of y square is 2y dy and differentiation of 2x is 2 this one and dx. So differential is done. So 2 cancel, dx is equal to you got y dy. Okay, you got this one. Let us substitute here. What I am going to get is integration of 1 upon. This is see this one I can write as 2x plus 1 plus 1. I consider this is as y square. So I get as y square plus 1. Y square plus 1. And this we have under root of y square. Okay, into what you have here dx can be replaced as y dy. This means this is equal to integration of y dy upon under root of y square plus 1 into square root this cancel, you get as y and y gets cancelled. This is implies integration of 1 upon under root of y square plus 1 dy. Now you know that under 1 upon under root of x square plus a square, already I have given you formula. So this will be getting as tan inverse y plus c is your answer. So tan inverse, what is the y value? Y value is under root of x square plus a square. You know tan inverse x. Under root of x square plus a square. 1 upon under root of x square plus a square is tan inverse x. So here I use the tan inverse y. What is y we suppose here? Y we suppose y is under root of 2x plus 1. Y is under root of 2x plus 1. So under root of 2x plus 1 plus c is your answer. This is the way we have to do. Let us go for the next question. Let us go for the
start.
So here in the previous question we have solved here linear under root linear. I have to explain. I explained here linear under root linear. Now I am explaining that linear under root quadratic. Now this question is linear under root quadratic. Let's see here linear under root quadratic we have to solve. So for solving this one, what I have to take here, the rule is ax plus b is equal to 1 by t you have to take. Okay, see here ax plus b is equal to 1 by t. So ax plus b, now that is this is x plus 1 is equal to I have to take 1 by y. So this is differential of this one is dx is equal to, what is the differentiation of 1 by y? That is minus 1 by y square minus 1 by y square dy. Y power minus 1, no? This is y power minus 1, so minus 1 minus 2, that is minus 1 upon y square. You know this is y power minus 1, differentiation is y power minus 1 minus 1, that one is y power minus 2, that is 1 upon y square, minus 1 upon y square. So you got this one, so dx is replaced by minus 1 upon y square dy. So dx you can replace this. Now let us solve this question. I is equal to, I can write as here, dx can be replaced as minus 1 upon y square dy divided by x plus 1 is nothing but 1 by y under root of, this can be written as whole square plus 1. That is the way you need to write. So here what I can get here, I is equal to, I can write as dy, integration of dy. Dy, how much you got? Minus 1 upon y square minus 1 upon y square divided by 1 by y, and under root of this I can write x plus 1. What was the x plus 1? 1 by y. 1 by y ka square. The square of 1 by y. 1 by y whole square is nothing but 1 by y whole square is nothing but 1 by y square. So this is I get as 1 by y square plus 1. That is I is equal to integration of minus 1 by y square divided by 1 by y, and you do the square root of this. Y square is the LCM. I'll get 1 plus y square dy. So what I get here, I is equal to 1 y from square root it will come out, that is integration of minus 1 by y square divided by 1 by y, and this 1 y will come out under root of, you will get as 1 plus y square dy. So here this one gets cancelled. So I is equal to you are getting, that is minus of integration of 1 upon under root of x square plus a square dy. So under root of x square plus a square, that is formula is what? Ln mod y plus under root of x square plus a square, y square plus 1 plus c. That is nothing but I can write minus ln mod y plus, what is y here? Let's substitute y value. What is y here? Y is, what is the y? You can see here. If x plus 1 is 1 by y, here this y will be how much? Y will be 1 upon x plus 1. This is reciprocal, right? 1 upon x plus 1. Y is nothing but reciprocal of x plus 1. So we can write as 1 upon x plus 1. So we can write as 1 upon x plus 1 under root of plus under root of 1 upon x plus 1 whole square plus 1 plus c. According to the options we will simplify more. Hope you understand. Thank you so much.